Hey, how's it going? I figured doing a video might be easier than taking pictures, so just give you a quick walk around on the wrap. You want to know about the seams? So this is the seam I was talking about before. Um, so it runs from, so this is the passenger door, a couple inches above the rocker panel. It runs all the way to the wheel well. That's one seam. The next, another one here. So trunk hinge just below this. So one seam here. Another one on the other side. So I believe what he did was he did the windshield surround actually. So all of this was one piece, and then he did the trunk out of the piece that was cut out because it was just completely smaller. So the trunk is all one piece, and that was cut out from what was around the windshield. Other than that, I think it's all like single pieces. So passenger side again, so this was all one piece that he did from down to the side, down to the trunk. And okay, so here's another seam under the passenger taillight. So from here over to the door is one piece. And I presume maybe on the other side too. Yeah. So here's another seam on the driver's side down. But no seam here like on the passenger side. Obviously took the trim off, did the doors in one piece. Same with the fenders. My guy didn't want to do the surrounds here, so we just did those black. Same with the inside of this is just spray black because that would have been a bitch to wrap. But he got the side mirrors coming off a tiny bit on the side. But okay, so here's another seam actually that I hadn't even noticed. So I guess the bottom part of the windshield was one piece, and then the upper part was another piece. Hood all one piece of vinyl. Another seam here. Bumper, I guess, was all one. Same with the lower stuff. But yeah, hopefully that gives you an idea of how they did the wrap. And yeah, let me know if you need any more close-ups.